Oh my God!
Tapi bohong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok?
Few moments later.
Bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Name, Anzelia. NPM, 234111036. Kelas, Manajemen 23C. Case Study, The Lampung Museum Cultural Preservation and Challenges in the Modern Era. 1. Background. The Lampung Museum, also known as the State Museum of Lampung, Ruajurai, was established in 1988 and inaugurated in 1989. It is located on Zainal Abidin Pagar Alam Street, Rajabasa, Bandar Lampung. The museum's main purpose is to preserve, document, and exhibit the cultural heritage of the people of Lampung, both tangible objects, artifacts, and intangible values, traditions, and local wisdom. As a province inhabited by diverse ethnic groups such as Native Lampung, Javanese, Balinese, Sundanese, and others, Lampung has a rich and varied cultural legacy. The museum plays a crucial role in maintaining regional identity amidst modernization and globalization. 2. Main issues. Despite its diverse collections and historical significance, the Lampung Museum faces several challenges, including low public interest, especially among the younger generation, limited digital promotion and lack of interactive media to engage visitors, physical infrastructure and collection maintenance that need improvement, lack of educational and collaborative programs with schools and universities, impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, which significantly reduced visitors and on-site exhibitions. 3. Strategies and solutions. 1. Digitization of collections. Develop an online or app-based digital platform to showcase the museum's collections virtually. 2. Educational and collaborative programs. Partner with schools, universities, and art communities to organize workshops, exhibitions, and cultural research projects. 3. Infrastructure revitalization. Improve exhibition spaces, lighting systems, and information displays to create a more engaging visitor experience. 4. Social media and influencer promotion. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to creatively promote Lampung's cultural heritage. 5. Regular cultural events. Host cultural festivals, traditional dance performances, culinary exhibitions, and thematic showcases to attract local and international tourists. 5. Expected impacts. By implementing these strategies, it is expected that 1. Visitor numbers will increase, especially among students and domestic tourists. 2. Public awareness of Lampung's culture will be strengthened. 3. The museum will serve as a center for education and cultural research. 4. Cultural tourism in Lampung will grow, supporting the province's vision as a cultural destination in Sumatra. Extended analysis. The analysis of the Lampung Museum's condition can be examined from several perspectives, namely cultural, managerial, technological, and social aspects, using both qualitative interpretation and the SWOT framework. cultural and historical perspective. From a cultural point of view, the Lampung Museum is a central institution in preserving the identity and collective memory of the Lampung people. Its collections include traditional clothing, musical instruments, ancient inscriptions, traditional weapons, and ethnographic artifacts representing the local way of life. These items are invaluable in illustrating how the Lampung people have evolved socially and culturally over centuries. However, cultural heritage preservation in the museum is not only about storing objects, it also involves communicating meaning and context to the public. In this regard, the Lampung Museum still faces challenges in narrative interpretation. Many display descriptions are limited to factual explanations, without providing deeper cultural insight or interactive storytelling. Consequently, visitors, especially younger audiences, often perceive the museum as static and outdated, rather than as a dynamic learning space. Therefore, one key cultural challenge is how to transform the museum from a passive archive into an active educational space that inspires curiosity and appreciation of Lampung's cultural identity. Managerial and institutional perspective. From a management standpoint, the Lampung Museum operates under the supervision of the Lampung Provincial Department of Education and Culture. This structure provides stability but also creates bureaucratic limitations, particularly regarding funding flexibility, human resource development, and innovation capacity. Technological perspective. In the current digital era, technology plays a vital role in how museums interact with their audiences. Unfortunately, the Lampung Museum is still in the early stages of digital transformation. The lack of virtual exhibitions, online databases, or interactive touchscreen displays limits its potential to attract digitally literate visitors. Digitalization could address several problems at once, preserving fragile artifacts through digital archiving, increasing public accessibility via virtual tours, and enhancing engagement through augmented reality (AR) experiences. For instance, 3D scanning and virtual reality (VR) applications could allow visitors to explore Lampung's cultural heritage remotely, creating new opportunities for cultural tourism and education. Social and educational perspective. The museum's social impact depends largely on how effectively it connects with local communities and educational institutions. Currently, most visitors are school groups visiting as part of curriculum activities, while spontaneous visits from the general public remain relatively low. 1. Workshops on traditional crafts, batik Lampung, weaving, wood carving. 2. Ocal storytelling sessions. 3. Student ambassador programs promoting museum literacy. 4. Collaborations with indigenous communities to showcase living traditions. Theoretical reflection. From a theoretical standpoint, the challenges faced by the Lampung Museum align with Folk and Dierking's contextual model of learning, 1992, which suggests that museum learning is influenced by 3 interrelated contexts: personal, socio-cultural, and physical. In the Lampung Museum, the physical context, exhibition design and signage, and the socio-cultural context, community involvement, still require significant enhancement to optimize the visitors' learning experiences. Overall, the Lampung Museum stands at a crossroads between tradition and modernization. Its cultural value is unquestionable, yet its sustainability depends on its ability to innovate and engage. The institution must evolve beyond being a repository of artifacts into a dynamic center of cultural knowledge and experience, blending heritage preservation with education, tourism, and technology.
That's all I can explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
Selamat